tripping, get your mood right. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping, get your mood?
Dang, am I focused? Okay, anyways. In this video, basically, gonna be discussing a little bit of tips and tricks. High school edition. Because it's people that's down there, like, out in the world, that's like, ain't got no big brothers, ain't got no big sisters, only child, and ain't got nobody to run to or turn to, or whatever. So, first of all, if it's your first year of high school and you're a freshman, you really want to stay to yourself. Not for long, but just a little bit before it's like you can get into the environment and like just settle in, because some people take longer to adjust. I take longer to adjust because, like, my first year of high school, I didn't talk to nobody. That's why I talked to one girl that was like my bestie for the rest of the year, and I still talk to her today. But anyways, it was hard because I was in new school. I didn't know anybody. Like, oh my gosh, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do that. Finding your classes. I hope you got good memory, because I did not. I was so lost, y'all. Like, I was doing circles and circles. I could not find my classes anywhere when I was a freshman. But I got the hang of it. It wasn't that hard. When I was first slide, I was like, oh, yeah, that's cool. But, yeah, stay to yourself. Just for a little bit until you get to know the people that you want to be around and how they act, how they carry themselves and all that. Because you can't just be hanging out with anybody, because, like, if you hanging out with a bunch of bums, they gonna look at you like you a bum. You might not be a bum. So, yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. There's that. And your friends. Whew. Do not get set on friends in high school. Don't get me wrong. There are good friends out there that you will meet in high school. But do not give them everything. Like, your all. Don't put all your, what they call it? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Because people in high school, they just still developing and all that. Their personality, their qualities, all that. And you can't really fully understand a person until you know a person. And they might go behind your back, girl, tell your secrets. Talk about, oh yeah, she was doing this with him and her, and learn the people that you calling your friends, because baby, it can get hard. Like, oh my gosh, and you won't really, and when you're young like that, as a freshman or whatever, you won't really understand how much it can affect you until it happens. Like, for real. Okay, back. Okay, anyways, like I was, this is one very, very important tip, trick, rule, whatever you want to call it. Okay, if you're bad in the subject, say if you're bad in English, make your English teacher your bestie. That is the best rule I've heard yet. Take it from my experience, because, say for example, math. Math is not for me. I used to be, but it's not now. But me and my math teacher, we are besties for the resties, and it works. It helps. It helps. It helps. Befriend the teacher that you're doing the worst. That you're doing the worst in that subject. That makes any sense. Anyways, yeah, do that, because that's gonna help you out a whole lot. Not all the time. Not with every teacher. Don't get me wrong. Not with every teacher. But with most of them, and it's worth it. Like, okay. And really, if you just go by most of these tips and tricks, and utilize them the way that it works for you, because everybody's not the same. Like, some person might utilize these to a moderate, some might do it to high. It just depends on you and your preference and how you are. But definitely recommend, like, I'm in my junior year right now, 2020. Anyways, but it helped. Like, most of these that I just told y'all definitely helped. And that's all I can really say. But if you like this video, comment. Yes, like this already, thumbs up, whatever. And subscribe. Just let me know what y'all want to see next. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood